Hey, what do you say? Let's talk about YouTube. I don't know if you have a YouTube channel or not. I mean, like a serious channel that you're trying to grow, make money from, and connect with other people. If you don't, that's what I want to spend a few minutes talking about to see if maybe this is the year you get serious about YouTube. My background is traditional media. I started in radio, still my first love, and worked in television for a long time. According to YouTube, I started my channel around 2017. Didn't really take it serious until years later. My channel got audited during a conference called Video Marketing World, and they told me everything I needed to hear. And I can say right now, YouTube has been life-changing for me. YouTube by itself is just amazing. And I want to share some things to consider about if you haven't started on YouTube. I really think that you're holding yourself back from being on the best platform out there for content creators, especially if you want to share your creative gifts, which I think you should be, and you really want to make an impact in the world. And I know I say that a lot on my videos, if you've ever seen a video I do. Some things to think about YouTube is that it's the second biggest search engine in the world. Now, you may have heard that or not. As somebody said the other day, it's second only to itself, Google, because Google owns YouTube. You and I can create on a platform for free that is the second biggest search engine, meaning people are on there looking for help, looking for answers, looking to be entertained. If you're on Google and you search something and there's a video accompanied with it, you know what? They're gonna serve up a YouTube video, maybe one of your videos. The tools that YouTube gives us creators, they're unlike any other tools ever. They're constantly showing you like where people are finding your video, how well they're doing, or sometimes how well they're not doing. And the monetization tools, the ways that you can monetize, it's amazing. Think of some of the things you can do on YouTube. You can do produced videos, long and short form. You can do vertical. You can live stream. You can have community posts. I mean, there's even stories. You know, online shopping is coming. The ability to be able to host our online courses eventually, and more and more and more. I think this will be the year that YouTube becomes the dominant media hub. YouTube gives you the opportunity to build a video library. It's like an archive. My biggest videos sometimes aren't the most recent ones. There are videos I've done over the last year or two that continue to bring in views and revenue and other opportunities and subscribers. It just thrills me to no end when I get a comment from somebody. The other day was in Africa, and somebody from Ireland and Scotland and Australia. I've had the opportunity to collab with other creators around the world. Creators small and large, I mean, it doesn't really matter. It's also given me the opportunity to be on other podcasts and video podcasts and live streams. And I've worked with a lot of companies because of that. I don't work for YouTube. I work for me. I'm a solo content creator, but I can tell you that YouTube is core to my business, to my community, everything I do. I love to watch it just to unwind sometime and find different channels and different creators. And I've done videos about creators I love watching and channels I love and things like that. Again, this isn't about, trying to hack the algorithm and do all the things that too many other people tell you, but are you creating? Are you using your gifts on a platform like YouTube? If not, make this the year. Now, I do have a course I've created to help people. I try to make it simple. There's a link to that down in the description. There's a discount you can have on it as well. Use the code down there. If you're not on YouTube, let this be the year that you get on YouTube, that you take it serious, but you also have fun. And if you don't know what your first video is gonna be, make that your first video. If you like this, like it, share it with somebody that maybe you're already on YouTube and they just need some motivation. I'd appreciate that. And remember to keep creating because the world needs you.